ukuthi umfowethu ngibheka so leyo ncwadi lethiwayo sayidabula sabiza media
explain ukuthi kwenzakalani kulona
ukudlula
indaba yalehholo lo iqale 2019 if I still remember very well i-budget yakhona it was 20 million so from 2019 laqhubeka kwagujwa kwenziwa foundation and all that 2020 kwangena COVID and then after COVID that's when the main company yaphula off yanikelela any company that company carried on for 5 years akuna mehluko awenzile as much even now kubuye the previous owner the previous company kubuye yona izolungisa ama mistakes walo ohambe kwamada abantu ohambe yakaqedani ihholo claim ukuthi uyiqedile ihholo nje imess alikathelwa kwaphansi liyanethela nje kuyimess.
It's been how many years?
6 years from 2019 July until now. Millions.
It's millions.
We can't get the right figures because of Mount Yabuza.
I think we will have to follow up soon and then see lodge a complaint for public protectors and then we investigate because I need to let you yamacha abenzi siyana match.
Yes, lesine match ngasidala emamasipala iyo thula ikanali zomphakathi bafowethu samasha somphakathi azange sithole feedback even namanje ayikho feedback sinikalisile
nasabutha azange ba respond so we can use that to
Another thing that can also help is if me community means a petition we sign it.
we did
that's the petition
those
abanga
people
respond
they have friends kuma office ana kanjani they use their
No, I'm saying at least naniyenzile leyo and they fail to respond to the petition. Then let's escalate it and lodge a complaint for investigation. Yeah, we'll have to. Thank you.